put it in the water.
Do you need some spoons or something? What do you need?
Shovels.
Some shovels?
What's in here?
Some shovels?
What do you need?
Some shovels?
Some shovels in here.
How about this one?
I'm gonna scoop something up. Oh, that's the other one that was cute. I thought I was gonna do it.
You can do
Thought
it.
I was gonna do it.
I think I can put the lid back on. Let me do it. Let me do it. Hippo! Hippo! The hippo right there!
Where's a hippo?
Right there.
Did his imprint stay in there? Well,
Yeah.
there's a pink shovel over there. See it? And there's the sand castle and a bowl. You can take all that stuff in the water with you. A bucket.
There. Right there.
Yeah, you can take all that stuff in the pool. Just dump the dirt out of it first. No. No dirt in the pool. Vivian. Didn't I just say no dirt in the pool?
Yeah.
Okay, no more dirt in the pool, okay?
There's a little.
Just a little. No more.
A little bit. Guys, go in the dirt. Let's put some water on here.
Bijou wants to get in there with you. Come here, Bijou. Come here, Bijou. Bijou, come. See if I can get her. I'll throw her in there. Come here, Bijou. Bijou, come here. Bijou, come.
Here, come.
Yeah. Come here, Bijou.
Bijou! Here, Bijou.
She says, I know that trick. I'm not going to fall for it.
Come on, Bijou. Come on, Bijou.
Bijou.
I'm giving kisses.
You did? You gave her the kisses?
Come here. I'm giving some kisses to her. Hey! Bijou! Bijou is coming. Okay, Bijou. Bijou, Bijou, Oh. Here's Drake.
Who? What's his name?
Here's... Look it.
Is it Greg?
Greg.
Greg?
Greg. Yeah. There's some right there.
Yep, there he is.
Greg.
Greg and Debbie.
I'm gonna put something on Bijou's waffle.
Alright, I'm going to turn this video camera off so I can play with you. How's that sound? How's that sound?
I'm putting something on Bijou's spoon.
Oh.
On Bijou's